In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a calendar to a board using the marketplace and how to add additional calendar views whenever you need them. First, head to your Monday.com homepage. Make sure you're signed in and on the account where you want the calendar to live. At the top of the screen, look for the small puzzle piece icon. That's your shortcut to the app's marketplace, where you'll find add-ons that extend what your boards can do. Once the marketplace opens, you can browse categories, but the fastest route is to use the search bar. Type the word calendar and press enter. You'll see a list of calendar apps and views built for different use cases. Pick the option that best fits your needs. For example, something like Calendar Plus is a popular choice. Open the listing to learn what it does, then click Use App to begin adding it to your account. You'll be asked where to place it. Choose the workspace where your board lives so the app lands in the right spot. Next, choose the specific board you want to connect to the calendar. If you manage multiple boards, take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct one. You'll see an option to attach it to the board. Go ahead and confirm that, then click Add App. This adds the calendar as a board view so you can switch to it alongside your other views. From here, your calendar is part of the board. If you don't immediately see dates, remember that calendars read from your board's date columns. As a best practice, make sure your items have at least one populated date column so the calendar can plot them. If your admin restricts app installs or you don't see the puzzle icon, you may need permissions from your account admin. You can also add more calendar views to the same board. At the top of the board, click the plus sign that adds a new view. In the list of available views, select Calendar. This is helpful if you want separate calendar views for different teams, date columns, or filters without changing your original setup. That's it. You opened the marketplace from the homepage, searched for a calendar, installed it with Use App, targeted the right workspace and board, added it as a board view with Add App, and learned how to add additional calendar views with the plus sign. Save your changes, give each calendar view a clear name, and you're ready to schedule with confidence.